Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Fairphone 3, at the first you have to go for the settings, go for the sound, and as you can see at the first we can adjust the volume level of media, calls, ringtone and alarm, so we can move these dots to left or right to decrease or increase volume levels. We can also enable or disable vibration for calls. In this place we can find the do not disturb mode that we can customize and finally turn on. In this place we can find shortcut to prevent ringing, so we can press power and volume up together to vibrate or mute. We can also turn off this option. Below we can find phone ringtone and default notification sound, so we can change both sounds. I'm going to make it with phone ringtone. Oh, I just turned off the volume, so let's make it one more time. Click OK to confirm. And in advanced we can find the default alarm sound also. And here we can find other sounds and vibration settings like dipole tones, touch sounds or touch vibration, and we can enable and disable them by tapping on the switcher. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.